viewers, in this video I would like to show you what setups I managed to work out during the previous week. The first setup was on People USDT instrument. There was the breakout of 1 hour level, and as far as the market is quite weak concerning the breakouts and the potential of breakouts, I started fixing my position from the very beginning. Here, more than 1% of the movement, I started fixing position, and in the clusters we see that most of participants are fixing, but the buyers keep pushing. Finally, there were almost 2% of movement. Here I decided to add 10,000 lots because the power of market buyers was growing, and the price was about to refresh the previous highs. Here in clusters we see the first resistance, red clusters, but buyers are still pushing the price. I decided to give a chance to this trade. However, here we see how red clusters are gaining momentum. The resistance was strong and the price couldn't go higher. I decided to close the position manually by the market. The next situation, the breakout from the consolidation zone of HNT instrument. From the very beginning I didn't know to which side of this consolidation the breakout would occur, but when I saw the resistance in clusters, I decided to open short position because these clusters and hammer-like pattern didn't allow price go higher. So I opened short positions with the stop loss behind this zone. So as I already mentioned in previous videos, we treat such clusters as support or resistance zone. Moreover, it gave me the chance to load in advance, and when the breakout occurred, I have already had the profit. Look at the clusters are absolutely red. It means that the sellers faced no resistance in front of buyers, and there we had the first signs of resistance. A hammer-like pattern, some pokes. I decided to close a part of my position, but I gave a chance to this trade, 4.5% of the movement, but unfortunately the resistance was too strong and I decided to close position manually. Another situation in HNT, the strong mirror level, from which I decided to load the position. Moreover, I saw the participant that were loading the position to trade from the same mirror level. Look at this. The clusters are filling with red, but something holds the price from falling lower. There was the buyer limit orders execution. Finally, I saw the participant. 25,000 contracts were systematically pulled under the spread in spot. Finally, we saw the liquidity grab, where the huge player was loading. I re-entered the trade because I was hit by stop loss, and this volume was systematically being pulled under the spread in spot, showing us the strong intentions of huge player. Finally, we see that movement. I was hit by take profit here, and I managed to earn on this movement very well. The price rolled in again, and I tried to open long position again from this point, because as you see, the same participant was in force. He continued loading the position, plus $50 on that trade. Then another situation, the breakout of local strong level, People USDT. I entered a long position on high activity of buyers that I saw in trade history. Here I fixed most of my position as I saw resistance in clusters in form of pokes, as you see. But finally, the power of buyers was so strong that it gave me more than 3% of movement. I decided not to be greedy and fixed the position totally, because the movement has reached the target. XRP, another situation of breakout, local breakout of 15 minutes time frame. Here we see clusters that didn't allow price go lower, and I was loading in advance before the breakout, waiting for the strong impulse. I had a quite short stop loss right below these points of control level, and finally it gave me about 1.2%. Quite good impulse for such a hard times of a bearish market. Here I saw the resistance again and decided to close the position. $28 on that trade. I hope this video were of great interest for you. Don't be greedy, fix short movement. We recommend fixing 75 or 80% of your position on having 1% of movement and leaving small part of your position till the targets, potential targets. I also recommend subscribing for our Telegram channel. The link you will find in the description, where we post free signals that are working out very good. You can just watch it and to check it out. Moreover, we have a website where you can find interesting things for yourself. For example, our course. If you buy that course now, a video library on Coursera will be available for you in December for free. Installment payment is available as well. Thank you for your attention, stay tuned and profitable.